I liked what I was doing on this side, so I was like, I should record it. I'm using the Dior 5 Color Couture in 159 Plum Tulle. It's a very purple-ish palette. I started off using the Singe EO3 brush with the center color. I took this all over the lid. Keep doing that until you have like an even distribution of the color. Like, one of the things I really like about these Dior palettes is that like the color does exactly what you want it to do, honestly. And if you don't have any of these like extra brushes or anything, literally the brushes in the palette, you can use them. So I went in with the darker purple, like this plum, and then I just kind of went in the outer corner of my eye to deepen it. The sideways isosceles triangle, like a scalene triangle, technically, right? Because if none of the sides are equal, that's a scalene. If these two sides are equal, it's isosceles. So then I went in with this one and I put it there, and then I went in with this one for the rest of the lid. And it's just such an easy formula to work with. Honestly, like, all of these shadows are so easy to use. I'm a big Dior fan. Went back in with the center color and I kind of like blended that darker one up. So I just went in order of light to dark. So I started with this one, I'm going in with this one, and then I'll end with that one. So that in the center, the darker one kind of into the lighter purple. I'll take some more of the lighter color as well. Then I use this tool that came with the palette and I put it just for this white part because I'm gonna put it in the inner corner to create a bigger pop. So just going in with mascara, I'm using the Pat McGrath Dark Star. Hope you enjoyed the eye look. I don't think it's too bad. Thank you for watching. If you like this, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will do this again some other time.